In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut PC. If you recorded a video upside down or you need to mirror a clip so your subject, text or movement appears in the correct direction, CapCut PC makes it very easy to fix. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest way to adjust your video's orientation and also how to fine-tune it if your shot is only slightly crooked. To get started, make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Once it's there, click on the clip to select it. This is important because CapCut only shows the clip controls for the item you currently have selected. The fastest way to flip or rotate your footage is right above the timeline tracks. With your clip selected, look for the small toolbar sitting just above the timeline. In that toolbar, click the mirror button. It looks like two arrows facing each other. As soon as you click it, your video will flip horizontally. This is especially useful if your footage looks reversed, or if you want to correct the direction of something visible in the shot. Right next to the mirror button, you'll see the rotate button. Click that to rotate your video. Each click turns the clip 90 degrees clockwise, so you can keep clicking until the video is facing the way you want. This is the simplest option when your footage is sideways or completely upside down. If your shot doesn't need a full 90-degree turn and is just slightly tilted, there's a more precise way to fix it. Select your clip, then move to the top right Properties panel. Under Video, open Basic, then scroll down until you find Position and Size. In this section, you can use the Rotate control to adjust the angle more carefully. You can drag the Rotate dial for a visual adjustment, or type in an exact degree value if you want more precision. This works well for straightening horizon lines or correcting clips that look subtly off balance. After rotating your video, you may notice black borders appearing around the edges. That happens because the frame changes angle and parts of the canvas no longer get filled by the image. To fix that, stay in Video and Basic, then increase the scale slider. Raise it gradually until your video fills the entire preview window. Try not to scale more than necessary, since zooming in too much can reduce image quality. Once your clip looks properly aligned and fills the screen, you're done. That's how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut PC quickly and cleanly.